up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel again. I'm finally back with another video. Now today's video I will be doing a little blue look that I like. I've tried it once and I was like, oh my god, I definitely got to do this again. And then I got so many compliments on it, so I was like, yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do a video about it. Okay, y'all, so the blue look that I'm gonna do for today, we are going to, okay, well, first of all, let me just start by saying this. Click that subscribe button, okay? I'm here, you ended up with me, so just click the button. And it's lit. We taking off from there. We lit. But first off, I've already did my face, my eyebrows, everything's already done. So the look that I want to do for y'all today, I've got so many compliments on it. I was like, y'all, bro, I gotta make a video. I gotta do this. I gotta do it. I gotta make a video. So I'm going to be using this Maybelline New York. It's a single eyeshadow. One single eyeshadow that I got at Ulta. It was actually on sale for like $1 if I'm not mistaken. Yes, it was on sale for $1. So I was like, what? Snatch. Now, when I first used this, I never used blue on my eyes. Like, ever. Like, I never did colors. None of that. So I was like, this is a beautiful blue. First of all, let's go ahead and take a look at this blue. It's like royal blue, like royal blue. I was like, I never used colors before. Well, I have before, I'm not gonna lie, I have before, but actually blue, like all over my eyes, red all over my eyes, yellow, I've never done nothing like that. So if y'all want to see the look that I did before that I got so many compliments on because it was just like so unique and just like so different from me, then keep on watching. If y'all do have an Ulta around you, you can definitely get this there. Ulta sells, or Walmart. I'm not sure if your Walmart sells these things, or your beauty store, or wherever, you know, whatever store is around you that sells Maybelline products. Y'all can definitely get this. I should have cleaned my brushes. I did not clean my brushes, so I'm like over here rubbing it on a towel. Anyways, yeah, your Ulta, your Walmart, I know for sure it sells Maybelline products, but Ulta, I got this at Ulta. I'm 100% sure that it will be there. This is a beautiful blue color. So let's go ahead and start. Anyways, I start by, of course, packing the color on the brush. It's like really, really pressed in the pan, so it comes with a little, but you know, I don't think anyone uses those anymore. Let's go ahead and pack. So I literally just start by packing it on because it's so pigmented. You don't even have to do much to it. Like, you don't even have to blend any other colors with it. If you just want a solid blue look, then this is what you want. This is literally what you want. So that's one eye. I'm all for inexpensive makeup. Definitely all for inexpensive makeup. If it works good, honey, I'm gonna use it. And this right here, I'm with it. So I tried not to take it up too high because of the simple fact that I was like slowly blending it up. Y'all will see what I'm talking about. I'm gonna keep blending this in and I will be right back. Okay, so now that that is like this, one side is a little bit bigger than the other side, so I'm gonna go ahead and color that in. Make sure she lit. It's lit. I really love this color, y'all. This color is bomb. And I'm gonna take my finger and blend it out. Brushes are good, your fingers is good. So when you're using your finger, it literally is just taking like what's on top and like smoothing it out to the top. You'll see how it's dark, and then when I use my finger, it just drags it up a little bit, and it's kind of like an ombre effect. Light at the top, dark at the bottom. Your finger comes in handy too. You don't always need to use a brush, honey. So that's exactly what I'm doing here. Blending it in with my fingers, taking it up a little bit just to give it a little ombre effect. And then I also have some blue at the bottom, so I definitely am going to take another brush. This is the eye crease brush from e.l.f. I'm gonna take some of this, of course, and smudge it under my waterline. And to not mess up my makeup, I'm gonna take a beauty blender and press it down and get the blending, girl. Yo, when you doing your waterline, I know I'm not the only one who makes crazy faces. I'll be like, this is the most famous one. It's so hard not to make a crazy face, y'all. You're not about to catch me looking crazy and use me as a meme. Okay, first of all, if I ever do make a crazy face and I see my face floating around as a meme, I'm gonna be like, it's lit. This is a blue smoky eye. I know you're normally people, they do brown smoky eye, black smoky eyes, which are very popular, but I wanted to do a blue smoky eye because I never had a color on my face. Like I said, I'm gonna keep on saying it because it's crazy to me that it actually goes well, you know, like it actually looks good like once it's finished. Yeah, my nose is so stuffy, I sound crazy. Don't mind me. So yeah, this is basically all you have to do. Just make sure you get that blue in there. If you want it to pop, make it pop. If you want it to be subtle, make it subtle. But of course, we don't want it to be subtle. We want to make it pop. We want to be like Chris Brown. Keep it popping. We want to be like Chris Brown. So let me go ahead and finish the rest of my makeup. I'm just blending. I'm like, I hear a crazy motorcycle outside. Y'all, motorcycles are fun to drive on. I can't drive on. Speaking of dry, this shit dries fast. So I'm sitting here like, bro, I'm about to be looking like a damn clown if I don't hurry up and blend this. I'm gonna finish the rest of my makeup and I'm gonna be right back. I don't want y'all to see me struggling blending this. I'm almost halfway done and I look crazy. Watch this. That completes this video. I do hope you guys use this look in one of your videos. If you do, make sure you tag me on all my social media. I love you guys so much. If you do like what you see, make sure you do click that like button, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. If you want to see another look with just one color on my eyes, definitely comment down below too and tell me what color I should do. I hope you guys like this because I actually really like it because it's very, very different and it matches my shirt. I'm like, ew, ew. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Again, click that subscribe button. Support me. Love you guys. Peace.